Once the gauge is powered on, we are ready to begin the procedure. Begin by pressing the gear key once. Next, using the up and right arrow keys, enter the programming code 0089. Once the code is in the display, press the gear key. The gauge is now in the programming mode. The display will read C or F. Press the up arrow key 5 times until CLR1 is in the display. Press the gear key, then use the up arrow key to select the display color for channel 1. For this example, we will choose green. Once the chosen color for channel 1 is in the display, press the gear key to save the selection in the microprocessor's memory. Next, press the up arrow key. The display will read CLR2. Press the gear key, then use the up arrow key to select the display color for channel 2. For this example, we will choose blue. Once the chosen color for channel 2 is in the display, press the gear key to save the selection in the microprocessor's memory. To exit the programming mode, press the up arrow key once until end is in the display, then press the gear key. The gauge's display will now show each channel with the selected colors. For more information, please visit our website, thesensorconnection.com, to download a copy of the DPG-XR Digital Temperature Gauge User's Manual and Quick Start Guide. The Sensor Connection, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.